The company, Plant of Weighing Equipment, is a leading manufacturer of industrial scales, dosing weighing complexes, onboard scales for special equipment. Key business areas of our company: automated scales complex systems, based on motor track, railway track, conveyor, hopper and platform scales. Batchers and packing lines, Monix onboard weighing and monitoring system for special vehicles. Development and implementation of individual non-standard projects. A complete scope of work, from A to Z, installation of weighing equipment, warranty and post-warranty maintenance, building of scales understructure. From 2009 to 2015, creation and development of the company. From 2016 to 2017, the acquisition of a land plot and construction of a workshop began. From 2018 to 2019, the purchase of equipment to increase production capacity. Our representatives. Our overseas representations. More than 10,000 completed projects. More than 10,000 satisfied customers. We produce motor truck scales, onboard system weighing, railway track scales, batchers for packing, continuous batchers, conveyor scales, explosion-proof scale, non-standard weight equipment, weight non-standard, platform scales, additional equipment for batchers, software, scales for animals. Our company offers the following terms of business: special price for certain product categories, preferential terms for regular customers, the full scope of service, from manufacturing a product to commissioning, maintenance service for 24/7, logistics services that delivers products safely, promptly and on time, flexible payment terms, installment payment, post-payment, leasing, bank guarantee. Industry solutions. Mining industry, chemical industry, agricultural industry, building and construction industry, metallurgy industry, cereal processing industry, nuclear industry, aircraft industry, waste recycling industry, fuel and energy industry, meat processing industry, defense industry. Our partners. Weighing equipment plant. We offer a solution to any non-standard issues.